This study aims to know the effects of violent games to the students and aims to answer specific questions such as: first, what are the demographic profile of respondents in terms of age, gender, demography, and religion? Second, what are the effects of violent games to students in terms of personality, home, and school? And what's the common effect of violent games to the students? Conceptual framework. In the conceptual framework, I use age, gender, year 11, and religion of my respondents as my input. Survey was gathered, questionnaires was answered by the students as my procedure in my process. And in output is the concept where I focus on my research. While the feedback is the table and explanation related to my study, which you can see on the following slides. Scope and limitation of the study. This research work focused on the effects of violent games on students such as Dota, Counter-Strike, and GTA. There are 34 grade 4 pupils, grade 5, 15 grade 5, and 51 high school students, grade 7 to 3rd year. This study is limited only to grades 4 to 5 and grade 7 to 3rd year students, male and female, ages 9 to 70 years old. This study analyzes and evaluates the effects of violent games on the students. Respondents. I gathered 100 respondents in the study from 34 from grade 4, 15 from grade 5, 30 from grade 7, 12 from grade 8, and 9 from 3rd year. Significance of the study. This study will be beneficial for the following. School administrators. The school administrators may know more about the effects of violent games to the students. Students. The students will be given additional information about the effects of violent games in Santo Niño de Praga Academy and will have ideas on how to adapt the violent games to their personality, home, and school. Teachers. The teachers will have information and ideas on the effect of violent games to the students. Parents, this study will help the parents to understand the personality of their child who play violent games. Researcher, the researcher will identify and acquire more information about the effects of violent games sa Santo de Praga Academy for academic year 2013-2014. Future researchers, the future researchers may be able to use the result of the study in further research similar about the studies. Analysis, interpretation, and answer. Problem 1. What are the demographic profile of respondents in terms of age, gender, demography, and religion? The table has 3 rows. Under the age column, while the following columns were numbers of respondents and percentage respectively. Based on the table, it shows that there are 59 respondents or 59% out of 100% who are at the ages of 9 to 11 years old. While respondents from 12 to 14 years old have 47 and only 4% from ages 15 to 17 years old. The table proved that most of the respondents were from teenagers, which is 9 to 11 years old. And the frequency of 51 respondents with a percentage of 51% out of 100% were from teenagers, which is 12 to 17 years old. This table shows the gender of my respondents. It has 2 rows under the gender column, while the following columns were numbers of respondents and percentage correspondingly. Reference to the table above, out of 100 respondents, there were 44 males, the percentage of 44%, and 56 males, females, the percentage